Our company, Fake Skis, has been tasked with designing a full composite ski manufacturing process. The members of the team are Freya, Eliza, Manuel, and myself, and this presentation will give a brief overview of what we have done this past few months. The goal of this project is to design and cost a highly durable, low-cost Canadian-made skis for beginner to intermediate skiers, which can be used for all mountain terrain. The three main constraints that we kept in mind throughout this project was the development of a product design, development of a manufacturing process, and analysis of the stakeholders.
I would first like to introduce you to the materials we use for our cap skis. We combine quality and low cost by using PBT, fiberglass prepreg, poplar wood, steel, and UHMWPE. You may be wondering how we bring our skis from raw material to our finished product. We start with CNCing the wood core to the desired profile and cleaning up the edges with a manual router. At the same time, the material will be prepped to fit into our tools, and the PBT top sheets will be getting their graphic designs. Once we assemble the material in the tool, we transfer it to an oven to preheat the tool and then transfer it to a hot press. Once cured, the ski will be trimmed, sanded, grinded, and waxed to snow-ready perfection. From start to finish, this whole process takes just 2 hours.
Our preliminary economic analysis shows that at full production of 140,000 pairs of skis, we are able to achieve a profit margin of 26% or $90.60 Canadian per ski. Cumulative profit projections show that we expect a return on investment in year 3. Our expected annual profit is a conservative gross income of approximately $12.7 million per year based on an amortization of capital costs over a period of 5 years and yearly operating expenses. In order to mitigate risks associated with the initial capital and operating investment of $36 million required, we have divided our company rollout into 4 stages. Stage 1 of our business plan has been completed, and we recommend moving to stage 2 of our proposed plan, which will consist of proof of concept, including ski prototyping and testing to meet design criteria and securing potential distributors. Stage 3 is where factory production will commence at half of the production volume in order to assess long-term viability of the company. And finally, stage 4 will consist of full-scale production and possible company growth based on company success.
To arrive at the finalized design, we experience obstacles regarding the efficiency in our manufacturing process, as well as arriving at accurate figures for our economic assessment. To tackle these challenges, we incorporated 3 methods to optimize our iterative process. The first being the Ashby costing method, which allowed us to consolidate all our cost factors such as materials, capital, and advertising costs to arrive at a cost per unit ski. With this, we could adjust varying metrics to arrive at a profitable solution. The lean manufacturing principles allowed us to eliminate waste, which are non-value-added components, and optimize the cycle time between each pair of skis. Finally, incorporating incremental project phases mentioned above reduced the risk to investors while providing room for optimization of the design process in the future.
Throughout the stages, we focused on being iterative. With that, we proceeded through the different stages of the project while considering the investors, the project itself, and the consumers. For investors, we emphasize on maximizing the profitability. For the project, we emphasize on iteration to better improve the efficiency of our process. And for the consumers, as the customer depends on the quality of the skis, we made sure to understand the needs and requirements in depth. That will be all, and we hope this pitch has gained your interest in our business. Thank you.